Now how to change the color of page. So this is color and I want to do the another color. So go to the design and select here the page color, choose any color like this one. See this color, another color, and go to this color. Okay, so choose any one. So I choose this one, this color. And also another topic is the page border. See the page border, it will come. Choose any one, lots of the page color border here. See, this is the page border, and also here the color, which color you want, like this, and choose this one. So this is the water border, page border. Also again another page border. See here lots of the predefined. You can choose any one like this one. So this will appear like this. See how to go to the design and go to the page border, and here choose lots of the here. You can choose any one. Okay. So now this time I'm choose this one. So this affected, this effect for the all pages, whole pages. Okay, thanks.